and then gonna go and burst.
The guy behind is
some
looking at us.
stuff.
Vlogging,
Who's
vlog
looking
life.
at us?
Vlog life.
This guy's looking at us.
What's up, people? It's your boy Casey Cybo, and today is a new day. So basically, what I'm gonna do today is my friend's coming over. I think you guys seen him a lot. His name's yeah, here he is. He's the model. He's over here.
Yeah.
So today's gonna be a fun day. We're gonna take photos. Then today's Diwali in Dubai. So I'm gonna go to my friend's house and we're gonna do fireworks.
You're gonna do fireworks because like,
Hey, it's my vlog. Hey, it's my vlog. You can't be doing this.
okay.
Alright, so see you guys there.
So today we're going to take some pictures with this model. Yeah, he's the model, and then we're going to go blow up this area. I'm just kidding. We're not gonna blow up this area, but we're gonna, we're going to use the firecrackers and stuff. Since it's Diwali, actually Diwali is a day where like people celebrate with light. So they bring firecrackers and do some crazy shit.
Alright, so this is how I basically, take my photos. Show them this area. Just like see the area. We see where, is it gonna match my Instagram? Is it gonna match the background? And like, we try new stuff. Like for example, right now, we just over here, and then the shadow comes. We gotta experiment while we take photos. You gotta be like this. You gotta be like this. You gotta be like this. What you really like? Hey, wait, how many more are there? Hey, how many more are there?
And this full street has its name. So right now we're actually going and searching for some more places. I know that I look so dark here, or maybe it's just because I'm wearing these glasses. Anyways, we're gonna take some pictures and then he's gonna go to his house because he got some work to do, and I'm going to go to my house, wait for some time, and then gonna go and burst.
The guy behind is looking at us.
Stuff. Who's
Vlog
looking
life.
at us?
Vlog life.
This guy's looking at us. Right, so basically this person over here. Wait. You guys see this, right? So he wants to climb that because like since modeling life is really risky, he wants to climb that. And I was like, at first I was like, can you even climb that? And then he was like, oh wait, I'm gonna climb. So he's climbing right now. Oh shit, he's already up. Look how dirty it is. I told this guy.
Oh my god.
Hey, my camera's stuck. Okay, it's not stuck. Look, he deserves that. I told you, Daud. I told you. Modeling life. Look at this guy's booty. His booty's already white, but he made it more white. So right before you hit, right. He wants to get hit by the car. This shit is risky. So this is some realistic vlog. You don't like this vlog, you should probably get a new life, man. Okay, anyways. Anyways, I'm gonna drop down right now. Halfway, not full way, because like if it's full way, I might die. I'm just kidding, I'm not gonna die, but like I don't want to drop him halfway. I mean, I don't want to drop him full way. So I'm gonna drop him halfway. And he's sad because of that. So Daud says that I don't speak that much in my vlogs. So I just want you all to comment down below. Like, do I speak more? I mean, do you guys want me to speak more or no? Because like, I don't like speaking too much. Alright, this is halfway. I'm gonna leave him over here. Alright, bye. So right now everybody's ready to go and burst some firecrackers. Yeah, I mean like we don't usually celebrate this thingy, but like today since people invited us to do it, so we're gonna go and blow up this area. Literally in this area right now, like there are so many people celebrating this thingy called Diwali, and like you guys can see like every single place there's lights, and like after a few minutes everybody gonna come down and burst some crackers. So you guys can see behind me somewhere over there the fireworks, the firecrackers happening. Same thing, you guys heard it right now, so you guys can see that right now. This is going crazy. I mean like right now this is actually not that crazy, because like this day people celebrate, but like this day so many fireworks are not happening, but like it's happening but it's less. But like tomorrow it's gonna be like an earthquake happening, really. Alright, so we're done with the firecracking right now, and now I don't know what we're gonna do. I think we're gonna eat, and then we're gonna go home. So we're going to eat right now, and we're done with the firecrackers. We're gonna eat and then we're gonna go home. It's a bit late and I got school tomorrow. I just finished eating. Now I'm gonna go home. I'm still eating, by the way. Yes, I'm a troublemaker. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this vlog will be officially ended right now. So if you guys enjoyed this vlog, please like, subscribe if you guys are new, and comment down below. Just type something down and share. Like legit, like I'm having, like it's almost 3 months and I'm stuck with 109 subscribers. So you guys gotta share, and peace.